तेरे सारे वादे अज झूठे निकले, क्यों तू झूठी कसमां खाइया। मैं तेरे नाल दिल चंदरा लाके अखां जारवाइया, अखां जारवाइया।
नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल। आपका दोस्त एंड होस्ट मिथिलेश बैकपैकर। सो गाइस, इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ मुंबई में और मैं लॉकडाउन को फॉलो कर रहा हूँ और मैं आपसे ये उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ कि आप भी लॉकडाउन को फॉलो कर रहे हो सीरियसली। और इस वक्त आप जो वीडियो देख रहे हो मेरे इजिप्ट की, ये वीडियो मतलब कोरोना वायरस स्प्रेड होने से पहले ही शूट हो चुका है, उसको मैं अभी इस वक्त रिलीज़ कर रहा हूँ। तो गाइस, मैं आज आपको एक इम्पॉर्टेंट ऐप के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ। ये ऐप आपके लिए बहुत ही यूज़फुल रहेगा, स्पेशली जिनकी इंग्लिश वीक है और जो फ्रीक्वेंट ट्रैवलर है लाइक मी। इस ऐप का नाम है यू डिक्शनरी। आप स्क्रीन पे इनका लोगो देख सकते हो इस वक्त। ये ऐप आप गूगल प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। जब आप इसको ओपन करोगे, इनका मेन इंटरफेरेंस ऐसा दिखेगा। तो गाइस, मैं आपको इसके फीचर्स के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा। आप कोई भी वर्ड या सेंटेंस को ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हो। फॉर एग्जांपल, इंग्लिश टू हिंदी, पंजाबी, मराठी, स्पेनिश, रशियन, बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस अवेलेबल है, तो आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हो। और सबसे बेस्ट थिंग एज ए ट्रैवलर मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप इसको ऑफलाइन भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। जब आप कहीं ट्रैवल करते हो तो मोस्टली मतलब हमेशा आपके पास इंटरनेट एक्सेस नहीं होता है। गाइस, इसमें एक फ़ीचर है इंस्टा कॉपी टू ट्रांसलेट। ये बहुत ही यूज़फुल है आपके लिए। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप व्हाट्सएप पे चैट कर रहे हो और जो सामने वाला पर्सन है वो स्पेन से है और उन्होंने आपको स्पेनिश में मैसेज किया, तो आपको ना मतलब ना ये सेंटेंस को कॉपी करके गूगल पे जाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपको खाली वो सेलेक्ट करना है सेंटेंस और ऑटोमेटिकली आपको ऊपर दिखा दिया जाएगा इसका मतलब क्या होता है। और द सेम वे आप अपना रिप्लाई हिंदी या इंग्लिश जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हो आप उसमें टाइप कर सकते हो और उसको ट्रांसलेट करके उनको सेंड भी कर सकते हो। इस ऐप में सबसे बेस्ट फीचर वही है कि मतलब आपको ना इसको क्लोज करके कहीं और जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपको अपने पेज पे रह के भी आप उसका मीनिंग जान सकते हो। मैंने यू डिक्शनरी ऐप का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, आप वहाँ से इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हो और ये फ्री ऑफ चार्ज है। तो आप आगे की वीडियो एंजॉय कर सकते हो और प्लीज़ लास्ट में कमेंट डालना कि मतलब कैसी लगी आपको वीडियो।
I've told my mother, I've told my friend, but I can't bring myself to tell you what I think. We built a past on stolen ground, but now I cannot seem at all to find my sound. My harmonies are broken, it's like I lost my wings. My heart is only playing on a single string.
हाय, गुड इवनिंग गाइस। सो वानी इज देयर अगेन। कैसी हो मेरी जान?
एक नंबर।
Right now, where are we going? She is taking me to eat some Hungarian food and I don't know what is there.
It's a surprise.
Because of you, I am going there.
And when you are on holiday and when you are in Hungary, you should always eat.
Always eat.
Yes.
Come to India, I will make you so much eat na.
Ah.
Yeah, everyday spicy food. What is your favorite one?
I love curry.
Curry?
I love red curry also.
Chocolate?
Kurkuma.
Kurkuma? मुझे ये तो मैंने भी नहीं खाया। What is the name of the restaurant we are going?
Juji's Bistro.
चुप, नाम भी बोलने नहीं होगा।
Juji's Bistro.
Juji's.
Yeah, it's a very funny name.
Yeah. Sia Mia?
Sia Mia.
Haramia.
The bartender taught this to him, the Haramia part. I
Yeah.
taught him Sia Mia.
But what you saying to is like nice one, na?
Huh? It's a cute way to
Yeah.
say Sia. So I taught
Otherwise,
him.
the people will beat me. That you abuse us like this? Sia Mia Haramia. It's for you. You look more cute.
Thanks.
I saw you downtown today, a little gray around the temples, but still way better looking than okay. I heard you and your missus had gone your separate ways.
Guys, we have reached to our destination finally, and the kitchen will get closed in 10 minutes, so that we are in hurry.
It's really stressful right now.
Yeah. I'm so happy that it's like we are having a private candlelight dinner.
Yeah, exactly.
No one is there to disturb us.
I booked the whole restaurant for him.
Really?
Yes.
If you have like taken me on the street food also, I was happy. It doesn't matter for me. Guys, we are just kidding. We came late. That's why it's empty.
Yeah.
Cheers to our last night.
Cheers.
Finally, I'm feeling good after having a beer. Funny part was of that night, na, dick bread. She made me eat dick bread, and I was like, I'm not interested in that. You were making me to have a dick bread, and I was like, fuck. यही रह गया जिंदगी में करने के लिए. In my life, this is the thing remaining to have a dick bread.
You have to try it.
Yeah, next time I will go and I will try the carrot also there. This time I not try.
Or like a deep bread with a carrot inside.
It is looking delicious. Soup is very good when you are traveling because when the climate is like little bit cold, that time you have a soup, you will gonna enjoy it.
You live like a drop of rain, love like a hurricane. Now you're home, in the place you should be. Don't let me go again. Can't wait until I spend every day making lifelong memories.
The restaurant was closing at 11 PM, but they have extended for us. Thanks to them. Cheers. This is our second drink. This is a perfect location. If you're coming with your girlfriend or with your wife, so you should definitely visit this place.
Yeah.
It's so
Very
quiet.
romantic.
Yeah.
And when it's good weather, you can sit on the terrace and with a beautiful view. When it's sunny, you have a view to the Danube.
Oh, that's amazing.
Been broken, beaten down, tasted dirt as I hit the ground. You were there through it all. How far you gonna go before you know what you should have known all along? Now at last I can fall into your waiting arms, waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms.
It was awesome night with you, and I'm gonna miss you, and I'm definitely gonna meet you whenever I'm coming hungry again. And if you're coming to India, just let me know.
We will meet again somewhere
Yeah.
in the world.
Bye. Good. And let me know when you reach home. This was happened last time. Na? I drop her at home, and in the morning I'm saying that you didn't message me, you reach home, and she said you only drop me at my home. It was very funny.
I was like, why were you calling me at 9 AM? And he was like, because I wanted to check if you got home. All good.
Bye guys.
Standing at the door, I'm on the way. A million things I guess that I should say, but I am done. Yeah, I am done. Letting go of all my heavy load. I waited for the moment to unfold. Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm going down. Oh, I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. I stand up and take it as
Guys, Antonio is sharing it's like a Ireland story. He went that. He
Don't
didn't like.
ever go to Ireland and England. All they want is money from you. Racists who don't like Indians, Muslims, even Americans. I stayed in London for many, many months. Nothing but racism. America should drop British as an ally. Because British, I don't think, is about democracy. British all about money. Just like Irish.
Yeah, he didn't like that now. The people were so not
And
nice
this
there.
is coming from an ex-soldier from US military.
I have never been there. I will go soon there.
Don't waste your time.
Let's see how it is for me.
Trust me.
Yeah.
I'm a white man. I'm complaining. What is gonna happen to you? I'm gonna send a message to people all over the world. It ain't about races, it ain't about color. It's about love.
That's
See
true.
here, it's black and white. Just like Michael Jackson, American India. It's about love. Good time. Enjoy your life. You only have one. Remember, my name, Antonio Gambino.
Thank you so much, Antonio. It was nice that you said na. And we met yesterday night and we had enjoyed a lot.
Heart to heart.
Heart to heart. That's true. And we want to meet again in India.
For sure. Proof of the life American soldier. I've been in Syria, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan. I love everybody. American people are not racist. Maybe the government, but not American people. American people love everybody.
Oh, thank you so much
You
for that.
understand?
Yeah. So, till now, which is your favorite country? Like
My favorite country always be America.
America.
After this, Thailand.
Thailand.
It's that freedom.
Okay.
Number 2, India. I love India food.
Thank you so much.
And then, wherever.
I am also proud to be as an Indian, and I also love
Oh,
my
yeah.
India. That's
My
more.
friend. And I'm also looking for a wife in India. You must be beautiful, must be rich.
Rich. Why you need to have a like wife rich?
I mean, come on. You're looking for a handsome guy here.
Yes, for that.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
And
Christmas.
happy birthday.
Happy anniversary also, guys. Guys, it's time to leave Budapest. I'm gonna miss you, Anthony.
I love this guy. Number 1 in India, always will be, and so am I in America.
Thank you so much. See you soon in future, and welcome to India.
See you, bro. I love India.
तो गाइस राइट ना मैं टैक्सी में और मैं एयरपोर्ट जा रहा हूँ और लगभग 35 मिनट्स लगेंगे यहाँ से और उसका चार्ज इंडियन करेंसी में 1500 रुपये आपको पड़ेगा आप यहाँ से एयरपोर्ट जाओगे तो।
If I'm lost along the way, if I wander off onto a different trail, will you forgive me if I fail when I'm lost and derailed?
I'm really thankful to Thomas because I was going to cargo airport. He said, "Oh, we have to go to the tourist airport."
Tourist airport, yes.
Yeah. And I had selected cargo airport.
No good cargo, no good.
Yeah. I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai, Hungary.
Hungary.
Budapest.
Budapest.
Film. Film in India before.
Film.
Quiz game.
Yeah, cricket.
Quiz game. India kind. Two kid. Brother. Few.
Okay, two brother.
Jackpot. Jackpot.
Okay, the one.
Where with the police. Poof, off. No good. No good Spieler. Film. Sensation. Film.
Okay, film.
India film.
Oh, Slumdog Millionaire.
Nagyon nagy film, nagyon good
Yeah, I know
film.
them.
Benne van Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal also.
Taj Mahal a filmben,
Yeah.
See, nice, Taj Mahal.
Yeah, Taj Mahal is very beautiful.
If I cry when I'm blue, if I cry alone when I am with you, will you forgive me if I do? If I cry.
तो राइट नाउ हम लोग है बुदापेस्ट एयरपोर्ट पे। हम फ्लाई कर रहे हैं इजिप्ट एयर से, और इजिप्ट एयर की टिकट मेरे को बहुत सस्ते में मिल रही थी 22,000 में, और बाकी सब टिकट मेरे को कम से कम ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 40,000 30,000 एक दिन पहले के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो। और ये एक खाली एक इसका डिसएडवांटेज है कि मतलब ना ये 20 घंटा लेओवर है इजिप्ट में, तो मेरे को 20 घंटा रुकना पड़ेगा वहाँ पे।
If I'm wrong when you are right, if I'm only seeing things in black and white, will you forgive me tonight? If I
इतना मस्त वॉशरूम बनाया है, इतना पैसा खर्चा किया भाई, थोड़ा टिश्यू पेपर पे भी खर्चा कर दिया होता तो अच्छा रहता था।
through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strained, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name, when I am calling your name.
Hi, good evening guys. So right now I'm at Egypt airport and I met Tejaswini, and
Hello.
she's from India and she has traveled to Europe. So how was your trip?
My trip was so good. I really had so much fun in this trip.
Which all countries you cover?
Germany, Austria and Hungary.
Hungary. In Hungary, like Budapest you were?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So which is your favorite country out of these?
I like Austria the most.
Why?
It's a historical place.
Okay. Did you went to like some nightclubs or something?
No, not in Austria.
Where,
I've been in
Budapest?
Budapest, yes.
Yeah, Budapest is very famous for the nightclub.
Yeah, yeah.
So what's your plan? She is planning to go out of airport, like to explore the city.
Yeah. I'm planning to visit Egypt tomorrow.
Egypt.
I'm planning to see pyramids here and go to the Nile.
I was not knowing anything about the Egypt because I didn't research anything. I just came at the airport and she told me that you can go to pyramids and you can go to Nile River. So I was thinking, oh, I have like 21 hours. I should definitely explore it and see it. So it will be good for you also. So I can show you guys also.
Yes.
So we are planning. Maybe we will go tomorrow together. Let's see how accommodation and everything they provided. What time we will get it. So bye.
Bye.
See you later, guys. सबसे अच्छी बात क्या ना, ड्राइवर को भी इनसे प्यार हो गया, जाते जाते किस देके गया ऐसा तो करके। हाँ वो क्या था, जा रहा ऐसा तो करके, बाय बाय नेक्स्ट टाइम मीट ऐसा तो करके। बोला अरे इतना प्यार, और मैं बोला मेरे को भी दे दे एक दो पप्पी।
No